Hello there guys, what is going on? Highway 49 RC here. So today the scaler needs some work. Why? Well, because some of you may or may not know, but next weekend is the Crawl for a Cure here in California. And that's a really big event here in Northern California because basically what it is we go out to crawl with our RCs, but then we're also supporting like breast cancer research and stuff like that. So it's a really great event. I haven't been there. This will be my first time going to an RC crawling event, as well as going to this particular event. But I'm really looking forward to it, and this truck needs a little bit of TLC. So what I've got in store for it today is, or at least on this episode, this will probably be three episodes, 3 parts, something like that. But what it needs today is frame rails, because basically the frame rails got bent really bad in a fall, and I've just kind of been limping it along since then. But I got some hot racing frame rails because they were less expensive than spending $40 for like Axial brand ones, so that I didn't want to spend that much on. And these are pretty good. These are the ones with the green accents, but I'm not going to use them. Part number, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that. There you go. Part number. So yeah, they look like they're the same. I think these are actually STX-10-2 frame rails, but that's fine. They're basically the same. I'm not going to show you guys ripping this all down because it's just going to take way too long on camera, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't really want to see it either. But some of the other stuff we've got going is revamping the rear suspension, which currently looks like that, and it looks like trash. So we're going to be revamping that. We're also going to be doing an actual chassis-mounted servo kit. So I got the RC 4-wheel drive one, looks really good, can't wait to get that installed. And then I also have some toe shackles that I'll be putting on later on as well. So I'm just going to start tearing into this thing off camera, guys. I hope you guys don't mind me doing that off camera because it's just a lot of work, and I know you guys don't want to see it. But I'll come back once it's all torn apart and just kind of show you guys what I got going, and then put the new frame rails in, and then go from there. Okay, so here's where I'm at. Got the stock frame rails off, so all we have right here are the axles and the transmission. All of my electronics are back here, just thrown up in a jumble along with the bumper and winch. I'm not even going to care about that right now, because that's all pretty much last that'll get installed. Because all the upgrades that we're doing are pretty much mechanical. So this I'm just going to push off to the side for now. This is just a random pile of screws, or it's a, well, yeah, it's a random pile of screws that I'm showing you. They're just screws from all the random stuff that I had on here. But then these are the frame rails. And you can see how badly the one is bent. So that's why we're replacing them. And I just left the rest of that crap on there because I'm not going to be using it. And then this is just some of the other parts that I kind of organized up a little bit. I know that for some people, doing a project like this is super daunting, but my advice to you is just to be methodical as to what you're taking off and how. Put your screws back into where they came from or whatever. That'll also help you keep organized and everything. And then of course for the electronics, just know what's there. Like, know your electronics, know what you have, and then you can basically figure it out then again later. Because I know that looks like a rat's nest, and it is right now. But that'll all get cleaned up and everything, so. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I'm going to go ahead and install the hot racing frame rails, and then I'll come back to you guys with just pretty much the motor mounted, or with the transmission in, the rock sliders on, and then we'll probably go for the rear suspension. Alright, so here's where I'm at. I got the frame rails installed and the rear bumper installed along with the rock sliders. I'm actually going to end it there today, guys. I'm sorry if it was a little bit short, but I want to do the rear suspension and the front chassis-mounted servo in a video of their own. Well, each one separately. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of kind of explaining what my plan is. Yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought. Let me know if you're going to crawl for a cure this year. It should be a really great event. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, and then be sure to follow my Instagram over at highway49_RC. And I'll put both my Instagram and Crawl for a Cure RC's Instagram and the Crawl for a Cure website in the description down below. So be sure you go and check that out if you guys want to go head over there this year. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope I see some of you guys there. So anyways, thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time.